Hi everyone, welcome back. The fourth Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, May the 28th, 2020 is a 4 stars Sudoku. I'm very scared because yesterday it took me 1 hour to solve this 4 star Sudoku. So I need to be more concentrated, and for me, if I solve this 4 stars to Sudoku more than 30 minutes, then it's definitely a 4 star Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright, we have a 4 in this column, a 4 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. We have a 2 in this row, a 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2. No 2 there, 2 should be here. Then yes, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2. No 2 in these 3 boxes. There 2. No 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4. So no 4 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so in the middle column, the only 2 places for a 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Yes, we see in the second column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in this box. Here also a 4, so no 4 in that box. Here a 4, so no 4 in this box. Here also a 4, so no 4 in that box. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Alright. How about this row? 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there, but I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number here is an 8. I see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. These 2 numbers are the missing numbers 1 and the 6. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. How about it should be 8, 3. Yes, we have 3 missing numbers in this row. The numbers are the 3, the 8, and the 9. 3, 8, 9. I see here the 3 and the 8. So no 3, 8 in this box. So the 1 digit left for the 9. So we have the 8 and the 3 here as a pair. 8 and the 3. How about these 3 numbers? In this big square, the missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. The 9, we have a 9 here. The 9 is missing. We have a 9 here, so no 9 in these two boxes. One box left for the 9 should be there. So the 6 and the 5 are left in this big square. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the number 7 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 7 and a 3. These 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. The 8 is missing. 5, 8 and the 6. 5, 8 and the 6. And I see here the 8 and the 6. So no 8 and the 6 in this box. One digit left for the 5. The 8 and the 6 goes there. And now, and 7. 4, 4, 4, 4. How about 9, 9? We have a 9 here. Two. Yes, 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between. The only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. How about 1? These 3 numbers are the numbers 3, 5, and 6. 3, 5, 6. I see here the 5 and the 6. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. 1 digit left for the 3. Now we have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be the 8. 1 box left in this middle column for the numbers. Number 9? Yeah, number 9 is missing. 9 is missing. Alright. Alright. So 2 numbers left. The 6 and the 5. These 2 boxes should be a 5. We have a 5. We have a 5 here. 5, 5. Those 2. Okay. 1, 7. Yes, the 7. I think I need to mark more boxes. These 2, 6 and a 5. 4, 4. That means here a 4. 4, 4. That means here 2 4s. 1, 1. That means these 2 1s because we have a 1 there. 7 we have here, 7 we have there, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 7 there, so no 7 in those 3 boxes, so the 7 should be here. 7 and the 3, because the 3 is also missing in this third row. No 3 in those two boxes, so the 3 goes here or there. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now 2 numbers left. The 4 and the 5 should be missing in the third row. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be anymore a 4. This should be the 4. 5, 5, 5, 5, yes. Though these two numbers cannot be a 9, so the 9 goes here. 1, that means this could be a 1, or that box could be a 1. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 5, yes, these 3 boxes. The missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. The 7 is missing, and the 9 is missing. I see here the 9 and the 5. 9, 5, so no 9 and the 5 in this box. So 1 is left for the 7. The 9 and the 5 goes here. 9 and the 5. 9 and the 5. 7 in this column. So no 7 here. We have also there 7, no 7 there. So the 7 should be one of those two boxes. 7 goes also here. In these 3 boxes we have 7, 7, 7, yes. But also the 9, 9, 9 should be also here up. The first 3 boxes. So 1 digit left. This should be the 8. Yeah, this should be the 8. 8 here. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8. And this should be the 8, and this should be the 6. 8, 8, that means 1 digit left here for the 8. 9, 5, and the 6 is missing. We have a 6 here, so the 6 goes there. And the 5, 6, 5, yes. I cannot mark too many boxes, otherwise it's a mess. I hate marking because you can suddenly not follow me. So less marking in Sudokus. Alright? Yes. So we have the 7 and the 1 are missing in the second column. 7 and the 1. We have a 7 here. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there. So 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 9. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 6 and the 5, we have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then, 9 and the 5. 7, the 3 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this column for the numbers 1 and 5, I believe. 1 and 5 cannot fill this yet. How about the other 3 numbers in this big square? 7, 3, and 2. The 2. 7, 3, and a 2. Alright. 2, 2, 2, 2 also. 2, 2, 2, 2. 7, 3, and a 6. 7, 3, and a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so in the third column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here. 7 and the 3 are missing now. In the third column, we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 3. 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers for the 7 in these two boxes. We have a 7 now, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. The other 2 numbers are the 3 and the 2. The 3 and the 2. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 and a 5, 9 and a 5. One number left in this row. This should be the 6. Yes, we have a 6 now, so this cannot be a 6 or a 9. So one digit left for the 5. This should be the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 9 goes there. We have a 9 here, so this should be the 5. We have a 5 here, so this should be the 1. This should be the 5. One number left in the last row for the number 9, I believe, yes. One number left in this column for the number 1, and the final number in this big square for the number 3. Finish in 17 minutes. Well. A big difference between a 4 stars Sudoku yesterday and a 4-star Sudoku today. Yesterday took me 1 hour to solve it, and today in 17 minutes. Well. Thank you for watching. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 5th puzzle of today, a binary puzzle. See you later. Bye bye.